Hi, today I'm going to talk to you about the X.500 directory service. I'm going to talk to you about overview, the protocol, the infrastructure, component, types of DMDs, and also the features. Okay, X.500 overview. X.500 is a series of computer networking standards covering electronics directory services. The directory server is developed to support the requirement of X.400, electronic mail exchange, and also the name lookup. The components cooperates to manage information about the objects such as countries, organizations, peoples, machine, and more in a worldwide scope. It provides the capability to look up information and also to browse and search for information. The protocol of X.500 is defined as DAP, DSP, DISP, and also DOP. Those protocols are used to use the OSI networking standard that were developed to allow internet client to access to the internet to the X.500 directory using the TCP/IP networking stack. The infrastructure of X.500, the information can be distributed into different directory servers. A directory server is called a directory system agent (DSA), while the client accessing the directory is called a directory user agent (DUA). As you can see from the figure below, the user is called the DUA, which is requesting the information from the DSA inside the directory to get a result. The X.500 component is you can see the X.500 architecture has become very famous and so very much feasible to and the flexibility to store information, sorting it out in proper manner, making it available to end user, make a drastic improvement in the user experience with a complex structure too. To store all the information using the architecture, the requirement of naming convention was born. The three-letter acronym on TLA in short form. The information is stored in directory information base (DIP), and also the DIP is divided into pieces that are structured into a hierarchy called the directory information tree, which are the DIT. So each piece of the DIB is stored on a server, which is called a directory service agent, as you can see, the DSA. And also, the user who need information from the active directory submit queries via an application interface called the directory user agent, which is the DUA, which is the user. A DUA communicate with the DSA using the directory access protocol, which is DAP. So one DSA communicate with another using the directory system protocol, which is the DSP. The administration information exchange between the DSAs is controlled via policy defined by the Directory Operational Binding Management Protocol, which is DOP. So the two types of DMDs are that one of it is a administrative directory management domains. Directory is a directory service managed by a registered private agency that provide public directory service. Example of ADDMDS are for and Bigfoot, which provide public X.500 directory service over the internet. Another one is that it's a private directory management domains, which is that provide private directory access. An example is domain control hosting Active Directory on the network running Microsoft Windows 2000. These are the features of X.500, a standard-based directory service for those applications that require directory, a single global hierarchical namespace of objects and their attributes, data management function for viewing, adding, modifying, and deleting directory objects, also search capability for customizing completion data queries. Thank you.